I'm Maddie.
And I'm Kate.
And today it's Trick Tip Tuesday.
Today we're going to show you a few quick tips to help you get your aerials. First off, you'll need to know how to do a basic cartwheel. You will also need to know how to do a one-handed cartwheel. Your preparation is really important. Ensure you do a hurdle straight up and then land, bend and kick your leg up to the sky, taking your arms with you. Next, practice your high cartwheel just like this. Don't travel on your cartwheel. Keep it nice and confined. Now it's time to put it all together and try that aerial. Once you've mastered your aerial, there's so many more different types that you can do. Here's just a couple.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to thumbs up this video and subscribe.
Make sure you follow us on Instagram and Facebook. See you next time!